we need to enlarge the photograph by the given ratio 3:2. So the ratio 3:2 in here, you can change it into a fraction. If you change the ratio into a fraction, it will be 3/2. So later, if you are going to find the new white, yeah, you have to do 12 times 3/2, which is equals to 18 centimeter. If I have the tall is 8 centimeter and then I want to enlarge it by the ratio 3:2, yeah, you to find it, you do 8 times 3/2, which is equals to 12 centimeter. So now the dimension for the new enlargement, it will be 18 centimeter by 12 centimeter. For the example B, now there is a photographic transparency 5 centimeter wide and 3 centimeter tall. It's projected into a screen. Then the new image become 1.5 meter. We are going to find the ratio for the enlargement. Before find the ratio for the enlargement, we have to check and if all of the unit from the any values given is already in the same unit. This is the wide is 5 centimeter, and then from the one that already get the projected measurement, it will be 1.5 meter. They are having different unit. That's why you have to change the 1.5 meter into 150 centimeter. So all the wide will be having the same unit, which is centimeter. After that, to find the ratio, because we are going, the picture is getting bigger, so we need to write the bigger number first. So the new width for the one that already get enlarged is 150 centimeter, and then the original width is 5 centimeter. 150 to 5, we can simplify it, become 30 to 1. So now we already have the ratio for the enlargement, which is 30 to 1. And then if we are going to find the new height, yeah, we do 30 per 1 times with 3, which is equals to 90 centimeter. Is there anyone who get confused, or maybe my explanation is still confusing for you? Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay. If no one get no
Teacher, we do A
confused,
or not, teacher?
A, no,
Wait,
the
A is done.
A is done. B just now done. I'm
Oh
just
wait, this is the
yeah,
work examples.
yeah, the work examples with the yeah, for the exercise 6.5 we haven't discussed it yet, but is there anyone having any question about the work example? No, right? Okay. If you have no question, I will continue to the exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5 question 1 in here. We will have the numbers 100 and then we need to increase it by the given ratio. Anyone want to help me? What is the new
Me, yes,
yes, how
teacher.
many? How many?
I don't know how to do 1A. Can you please help me?
Okay. So the first thing that you have to do in here, all the ratio you have to change it into fraction. So 8 to 5 in here it will be 8 per 5. After you have the fraction, you will multiply with the given value. In here, we have to increase 100 by the given ratio. So the 8 per 5, I will multiply it by 100. So the 8 per, so 100 divided by 5, it will be equals to 20. 20 times 8, it will be
100,
equals to 160. Is it clear enough?
160.
Yeah. Is it clear enough or
Teacher,
are you
teacher.
still confused? Yes?
So that's the answer, teacher. So we
Yeah.
don't plus the
No,
answer
we
with
not we
100.
are not going to
No need,
plus it
right?
anything. But if
Oh, okay,
percentage
teacher.
increase, yeah, we will do it because this is like from the ratio we are going to use it, so no need to plus it by anything. Just do it like this, and this is already the answer. Okay, for the question B, anyone want to help me? Maybe how many it will be?
150.
Yes, teacher, I will help you.
Okay, how
Wait,
many?
5 out of 2 times 100 equals to 5 out of 2 times 100 is 250.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Good job. For the question C, anyone want to help me?
175.
Okay, thank
175.
you. Question D.
10, teacher.
110. Okay. Question E.
225.
Okay. Question F.
128.
128. Okay. Is there anyone who get confused so far? Anything confusing? No? Okay.
No,
If no
teacher.
one have no confusion, let us move to the question 2. Increase 70 by 4 per 3, 5 per 3, and so on. Anyone want to help me?
2A 93.3.
Okay. 93.3. If it is recurring, just keep it with the sign of recurring, yeah. So 93.3 with the dot at the top, like this. Okay. For the question B.
116.6 recurring.
Yeah, 116.6 recurring. Okay. 116, right? Yeah. 0.6 recurring. Okay then. For the C.
79.9 recurring.
Are you sure? Question C?
Yeah, teacher. 79.9 recurring.
Or is there anyone who disagree? Because I disagree.
My answer is 80.
Yeah, 80. I also got 80. 8 by 7, 8 per 7 times 70 is 80, right?
I got 79.9, teacher.
How did you
I don't
get
know.
it?
I think I don't know. My calculator may be error or something.
Yeah, because it is 8 by 7 times 70. The 70 and 7 we can cancel out, become 10. So 8 times 10 will be 80. Okay, let us move to the question D. Increase 70 by the ratio 9 out of 4. 9 to 4, sorry.
7.5.
157.5, okay. For the question E.
Wait a minute, teacher. Let me
Okay,
answer
okay,
this.
okay, okay, okay,
Excuse
okay.
me.
Okay, please, please, Steve, please.
11 out of 5 times 70 is 11 times 40 is 154, I think.
154 or 154, yeah. Yeah, 100.
154, I think.
Okay, good
Teacher,
job.
what is this, teacher? Decrease. I don't understand.
Same thing. So all the ratio in here, you will change it into fraction.
And also F is equals 85.
So
Yeah,
3 out
85.
of
Okay.
7 like a teacher.
3 out of 7. How did you get 3 out of 7? Which number are you?
The first question.
Okay,
2A.
decrease 60 by 2A or 3A? Sorry.
2A.
Oh, 2A. 2A, the increase 70 by the following ratio. The ratio is 4 to 3. So the 4 to 3, we can change it into a fraction, become 4 per 3. The fraction, we will multiply it with the number given. So 4 per 3 times 70, it will be getting 93.333 recurring, something like that. Is it
I
answering
still
the
don't
question?
understand, teacher. I still don't understand.
Okay, increasing, so it means if you still do not understand, the original one will be the value at the back in here. So
4.
it means the 3 is equals to 70. You need to find
Oh.
4 is equals to how many. This is, if you like the unitary method, it will be like this. But if, to make it easier, the ratio you can just directly write it as 4 per 3. Because 4 to 3, we can write it as 4 per 3. And then we need to multiply it with the given value. The given value is 70. So 4 per 3 times 70 equals to how many? This is also the same thing as 3 is equals to 70. 4 will be equals to how many? It's also the same thing. Is there anyone else having any question, or maybe my explanation still confusing for you?
No, teacher.
No? Okay. If you have no confusion, let us move to the question 3. Decrease 60 by the following ratio. Anyone want to help me to answer? This is also the same thing. All the ratio we can change it into a
I
fraction
don't
and
know.
then yeah. Oh, you don't know. Okay. 2 2 to 3, if we change it into fraction, it will be 2 out of 3. And then the fraction, we will need to multiply it by the given number. The given number is 60. So 2 per 3 times 60. How many it will be?
I think it's gonna be four. I think it's gonna be 40.
Yeah, good job.
40, teacher.
Now for the question B. Anyone want to help me to answer?
Yes, teacher, I'll help you again.
Okay.
Yes, teacher, I'll help you again.
Teacher, so far,
5 out of 6 times 60 equals to 50.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Rini, what did you going to tell me before?
so the formula for both is same, right?
Same.
We use the
Yeah.
same steps.
Okay, same step. Only the difference is on the number. So like as you can see, if it is increase, the bigger number for the ratio will be at the front. But for decrease, the bigger number will be at the back. That is the difference. But all the steps are the same.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay. Now let us move to the question 3C. The ratio is 7 to 12.
I think it's gonna be 35.
Okay, good job, 35. Now what if the ratio is 3 to 5?
36.
Okay. If the ratio is 1 to 4?
15.
Mm-hmm.
15.
If the
15.
yeah, already wrote it. Already. If the ratio is 13 to
52.
15, 52. Okay.
52. 52.
52. Okay. Now let us continue for the question 4. Decrease 30 by the following ratio. 3 to 4.
22.5.
Yeah,
22.5.
22.5. Okay, oops, sorry. 22.5. For the question B,
6.6
6.6 recurring.
okay, 6.6 recurring. So if it is decimal, just keep it with the recurring sign. Do not round it off, yeah. Because if you round it off later, the number will not be following with the given ratio. For the question C,
17.5.
okay, 17.5. For the question D,
5.625.
1.
okay, 5.625. Okay, is there anyone who got different answer or get confused before I continue?
No, teacher.
No? Okay. For the question E,
18.75.
okay, 18.75. Question F,
0.5.
13.5, teacher.
how many? 13 or 18? Sorry.
13, teacher.
Okay,
13.5.
13.5. Okay. Is there anything confusing so far from question 1 into question 4? Is there anything confusing? Or everything is clear enough?
Clear, teacher.
Okay. If no one get confused, let me check to the chat box. No one say anything through the chat box. Okay. Just making sure only someone try to give me the answer. So I don't think anyone having any question. I will move to the question 5 until question 8. This is we have to decrease and also increase the number with the given ratio. Increase 40 by ratio 5 to 4.
50, teacher.
How
50.
many? 50. Okay, good job. The next number, wait, my pencil is not there yet. Okay, for the question 6,
32.
okay. Question 7, anyone want to help me?
210.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Question 8.
90.
Okay, good job, Pipi. Is there anyone else having any question? Everything easy, right? Hello? Okay. I don't think any one of
Easy,
you.
teacher.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I will move to exercise 6.6 because exercise 6.6, all of them are word problem. Yeah, we need to discuss everything. A photograph measuring by 8 centimeter by 6 centimeter, and then it's enlarged by a ratio 11:4. Anyone want to help me? What is the new dimension for the length and also the width? Let me know if you already done trying for the question 1.
8 times 11 times by
Yeah.
4.
For the 8 centimeter, we need to multiply 8 multiply 11 by 4. This will be equals to how many? 22, yeah. 22 centimeter. And then for another one, for the 6 centimeter, we need to
1.5.
multiply it by 11 per 4 will be equals to 16.5. Okay. So the new dimension, it will be 22 centimeter by 16.5 centimeter. Is there anyone who get confused, or maybe my explanation is still confusing or anything? Is there anyone who get confused? No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, let us move to the question 2. You can try it and then later you can tell me what is the answer. The new size after get enlargement 7:4.
Teacher, 24
No, not
by
24.
21.
Not 24.
21.
28.
Nah,
Teacher,
yeah, 28. 28 by.
28 and 21.
Okay, is there anyone who get confused? I read through the chat box also. Someone already answer it correctly through the chat box. Is there anyone else having any question?
No, teacher.
Okay, I will move to the question 3. I will let you read the question first. We have the original measurement 10 centimeter by 16 centimeter, and then it's getting enlargement, and then after get enlargement, the new dimension, it will be 25 centimeter by 40 centimeter. Now your job is to find the ratio. Someone already told me through the chat box. Someone told me it is 5:2. Is there anyone who got different answer for the ratio? Is there anyone who disagree with 5:2 or no? Okay. So the ratio will be 5:2. How to get 5:2? If maybe you get confused, because we are going to find the ratio for enlargement, we have to compare the big number with the small number as long as it is corresponding. So from the original and then the new enlargement, we take the smaller number, and here I take the smaller and smaller one, and then I compare them because I need to find the enlargement, so I will write the bigger numbers first. So 25 to 10. 25 to 10, I can simplify them. I divide everything by 5. 25 divided by 5 will be 5. 10 divided by 5 will be 2. So the ratio will be 5:2. Is there anyone who get confused or still do not understand how to do it? Is there anyone who get
Understand, teacher.
confused? Okay. If no one have no confusion for checking, you don't have to take all the smaller number. If you want to find the ratio between 40 and 16, also okay. Later the answer will be also giving a same answer. The ratio will still be 5:2. No question for sure? Okay. If you have no question, I will move to the question 4. There is a banner, and then the banner is the original length, the original dimension is 4 centimeter by 25 centimeter. And then I want to enlarge the banner, And then minimum, the width have to be 8 meter, but it cannot be more than 1.4 meter tall. Now we have to find the ratio for the minimum and maximum ratio. Anyone want to tell me? Maybe you can check for the width first and then for the tall first.
1 to 2 and
I
5 to
disagree.
28.
I disagree.
Okay.
Read the question properly, please. As you can see, the 4 centimeter in here is 4 centimeter tall. So I need to compare it with something with tall. It is 1.4 meter tall, not 8 meter tall. That's why you have to compare with 4 with 1.4 meter. And then when you are going to find the ratio, make sure that they are having the same unit. Now, are they having the same unit for the tall?
No,
Are they?
teacher.
No. So now let us make them into a
140 centimeter, right?
So 140 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now we need to find the
35
ratio. How many?
35 to 1, right?
Okay,
35 to
140.
1.
It will be 35 to 1. Now if we check for the white. Now if we check for the white, how many it will be? For the white,
25 to 8.
You have the 25 and also the 8. So what is
1
the
per
ratio?
35. 1 per 35.
1 per 35?
Not 35 per 1, teacher.
Not. No. We are going to find the ratio first. Ratio for the white. For the white.
25 to 8. 25 to 8.
Oh, 32. Sorry. 32 by 1.
I told you the unit have to be the same.
Oh, 8 meters. Okay.
32 by 1 then. 800 by 25 and
800
32 by 1.
centimeter and 25 centimeter. If we are going
By
to
1.
find the ratio for enlargement, we have to write the bigger number first, then smaller number. So
32 to 1
800
then,
to
teacher.
20. 32 to 1.
1, yeah.
So far, is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone? So what is the minimum ratio? What is the minimum ratio? Because the question is asking, calculate the minimum and maximum ratios for the end of enlargement possible. So what is the minimum ratio? The 32 to 1 or 35 to 1? Are you still there or my voice gone or something?
2 to 1.
No,
Okay,
teacher.
32 to 1.
The maximum is 35 to 1, right?
Okay, is there anyone who get confused so far or my explanation is still confusing for you? Is there anything that is confusing? No confusion? Okay, if you have no confusion, I will move to the question 5. A rectangle measuring 7 centimeter by 4 centimeter is enlarged by the ratio of 2 to 1. And then now we have to find the area of the original one and then the area for the enlargement one. So now anyone want to help me for the area for the original rectangle?
28, right?
Okay, so the area 7 times 4 will be equals to 28 centimeter. And then for the enlargement rectangle,
The enlarged is 112.
how did you
12
get 112?
You
times 2.
2 times 7,
Yeah,
2
2 per
times 4,
1
and then you
times
plus them.
7, it will be equals to 14 centimeter. And then for the another measurement 2 per 1 times with 4, it will be equals to 8 centimeter. And then later we can find the area. The area it will be equals to how many? As you said before, is it 122? 112 or how many? 112, yeah. Is it?
We directly from the area enlarge it, teacher, or should we do the
We have to do it one by
the
one
do
first.
the line one by one?
We have to find it one by one first. So, is it 112 or did I make a wrong calculation maybe? Did I make a wrong calculation?
112, teacher.
Yeah,
112.
112. Okay, 112, right? Okay, now let us read the question B. For the question B, what the ratio for the area that has been enlarged? What is the area from the original into the one that is enlarged?
One.
So 112 to 28. We can simplify it become 4 to 1. Okay. Is there anyone who get confused so far? Before I move to the next question.
1 to 4, teacher. 1 to
Yes,
4.
yes. 4 to 1
Actually,
because
how
getting
to
enlarged.
get 120
112.
112?
Okay. If we are going to find the ratio for whenever we are going to find the area for a rectangle, we will do length times width. The length is 7 centimeter, the width is 4 centimeter. That's why for the original rectangle, the area it will be 28 centimeter. And then there is another rectangle that is the enlargement from the previous rectangle. We enlarge it by the ratio 2 to 1. So use the ratio, I can find the new measurement. So now the new dimension for the new rectangle, it will be 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter. And then now if I'm going to find the area, yeah, we do 14 times 8. 14 times 8, it will be equals to 112 centimeter. Is it clear enough or
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anyone having any question?
Teacher.
Yes, please. Yes, I'm listening. Is there anyone want to ask me any question?
Teacher.
Yes. Sorry?
No, I said thank you,
Oh,
teacher. I
okay.
said
Sorry. Okay. Sorry, Pipi. I could not hear it properly. Okay. Is there anyone else having any question before I move to the question 6? Is
No
there
question,
anyone?
teacher.
No question. Okay. You are writing down the answer on your textbook, right? Yeah. Because at question 10
teacher.
later, yeah. At the question 10, we need to make a conclusion from question 5 to question 9. So please make sure you have the answer. Because whenever I go back to the previous slide, all of my annotation will be gone. So please kindly write down all of the answer on your textbook. I will move to the question 6. For the question 6, a square with the side of length 3 centimeter is enlarged by the ratio 3 to 1. We need to find the area from the original square. What is the area of original square?
Square.
9, teacher.
Yeah, 9. Okay, 9 centimeter square. 3 times 3, which is equals to 9 centimeter square. Okay, now for the question B, the enlarged square.
81.
We need to find the measurement first.
81, teacher.
How did you get 81? 3 per 1 times 3 first. We have to enlarge it
3
first.
times 3
Yeah.
times 3 equals 9, and then
Mhm.
3 times 3 again equals 9, and then 9 times 9 equals 81.
Okay, good job. Is there anyone who get confused so far? Is there anyone? No? Okay. If no one have no question, I will move to the question B.
9 to 1,
What
teacher.
9 to 1. Okay. 81 to 9. So we can simplify it become 9 to 1. Okay. Is there anyone having any question? For the ratio, because this is asking the ratio for the enlargement, we have to write the bigger number first, the small number later. That's why it will be 9 to 1, not 1 to 9. Yeah. Okay, for the question 7. A cuboid measuring 3 centimeter by 5 centimeter by 2 centimeter is enlarged by the ratio 2 to 1. We need to find the volume of this cuboid. What is the volume?
30 centimeter cube.
Okay, how did you get 30 centimeter?
3 times
3
5
times
times 2.
5 times 2.
Okay, so it will be 3 times 5 times 2, which is equals to 30 centimeter cube. And then now for the question 2, let us find all of the the dimension
240.
first. The dimension, the 3 centimeter, it will be how many?
6 times
Okay,
10
6
times 4
centimeter. And then for the 5 also, it
times
will be
10
equals
times
to,
4.
let me write it first, maybe someone get confused. So times 2, it will be equals to 4 centimeter. After we find all the dimension, now we can find the area. The area, it will be equals to 6
60 times
times
4,
10 times 4, which is equals to 240 centimeter cube.
240.
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now we need to find what is the ratio
Eight.
has the volume has been
2 to
increased.
1. 2 to 1.
No, 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 not 2 to 1.
8 to 1, teacher. 8
Yeah,
to
8
1.
to 1. Because this is 240 to 30. We can simplify it become 8 to 1. Is there anyone who get confused? Or maybe I go too fast? Because the ratio for the
Volume,
length.
teacher. I read area.
Okay. Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone who get confused?
No, teacher.
No? Okay. If no one have no confusion, let us move to the question 8. Question 8. Are you done copying? Can I move? Done, yeah.
Yes, teacher.
I will move to the question 8. There is a cube with the side 4 centimeter. It's enlarged by the ratio 3 to 1. What the volume of the original cube?
64.
Did you get 64?
4 times 4 times 4.
Okay,
4
so the
power 3.
area 4 times 4 times 4, which is equals to 64 centimeter cube. Okay, now for the enlarged cube.
288.
What did you get? 288.
12 times 12 times 12.
Okay, so we have, is it 288? Are you sure? I'm not really sure.
728. I get 1,700.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 1,000 something. 1,700 or something. I forgot.
1728.
Yeah, that is still, yeah. Is there anyone who get confused? Is there anyone who get confused? So the area, yeah. So the area, it will be equals to, volume. 12 times 12 times 12, which is equals to 1728 centimeter cube. Okay. Now, by what ratio has the volume been increased?
27 to 1, teacher.
Okay, so 1728 to 12, to 64. We can simplify it become 27 to 1. Is there anyone who get confused so far, or maybe my explanation is still confusing or anything? Is there anyone who get confused? No?
Yeah, teacher. 5 minutes left, teacher.
Okay, I will move to the question 9 if no one have no confusion. For the question 9, where is my question 9? Wait, my slide is not moving. Yeah, for the question 9, there is a triangle. The triangle has is going to reduce using the ratio 1 to 2. This is the original one. So now let us find the area of the original one first. Anyone still remember the area of a rectangle? How to find the area?
5
Times height divide by 2.
Okay, so 8 times 4 divided by 2. How many it will be?
16, teacher.
Okay, 16 centimeter square. Now we are going to find the area of reduced triangle. So this is 4 centimeter. If we reduce it using a ratio 1 to 2, so we do 1 per 2 times 4, which is equals to 2 centimeter. And then for the other one, we do 1 per
4,
2
teacher.
times 8,
4
which is
times
equals
2.
to 4 centimeter.
4
So the
times 2
area,
divided by
8.
2.
8.
is it 8? Are you sure? No.
Wait. 4, 4, 4.
4, teacher. 4, teacher.
Yeah, 4 times 2, divided by 2, which is equals to 4 centimeter square. Can you help me to find the ratio now?
16 to 4, it's 4 to 1.
Okay, so the ratio is 16 to 4, which is equals to 4 to 1. Is there anyone who get confused so far? Or my explanation is yes, yes?
Teacher, this
To
is
4.
Huh?
1 to right?
Oh,
1
sorry.
to 4, not 4 to 1.
Yeah. Thank you. Because it's reduced, so the smaller one have to be in the front. Thank you for telling me. Is there anyone having any question, or maybe my explanation is confusing? Or maybe there is anything that I forgot to write? Is there anyone? No? Okay. If you have no confusion, I will move to the question 10. For the question 10, from question 5 to 9, can you conclude what happens to two or three-dimensional figures when they are either enlarged or they are reduced? So you can see, yes, at the question 5 maybe. For the question 5,
When a
what is?
two-dimensional is reduced or in when a
Yes.
two-dimensional shape is reduced or increased, uh, their initial ratio is powered by 2 is
Yeah.
yeah
Okay. So
squared.
to D shape later the area, the ratio for the area, area is the square of the ratio, initial ratio, yeah, initial ratio or the ratio for the length. Yeah. And then what if it is 3D shape? If it is 3D shape, the volume?
Cube root, teacher.
Okay, the volume. Is it a cube root, all of them? Cube root or to the power of 3?
Power of 3.
Yeah, the volume is the cube, not cube root. Yeah, is the cube of the initial ratio. Okay. Is there anyone?
But there's only goes for the enlarge.
Enlarge. Yeah. For the even for the question 9, the ratio is 1 to 2. Now the volume, the ratio become 1 to 4, right? It even for the either enlargement or reducing also the ratio. If it is a 2D shape and we are going to find the area, the ratio will be the square of it. If it is 3D shape, the volume will be the cube of the initial ratio. It happen for the enlargement or the reducing. Yeah, I don't know what is the, yeah. Is there anyone having any question? Not only multiple of a factor, because multiple of, like at the question 8, I disagree if you say it's multiple. Like question 8, the ratio is 3 to 1, but now for the volume, the enlarged volume, it will be 9 to 1, not like 9 times 3, not like multiple of multiple of 9. A multiple of 3 can be 6, can be 9. Multiple of 1 can be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it will not be enough if only you say as a multiple or factor. It will be better if you say the square or the cube of it. Is there anyone having any question? Is there anyone having any question or maybe get confused? Yeah, it's already 11:45. If you have no question, you may leave my class. If you still have any question, you can stay and tell me which one that is your queries before the WebEx ends.
Good morning.